Nervous system. Our nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. Nerves. Nerves are formed of long nerve cells known as neurons. A neuron is the largest cell in the human body. It is formed of an irregular and nucleated part called cyton or cell body, axon, dendrons, and dendrites. The axon ending of one nerve cell is loosely connected to cyton of another nerve cell. This loose connection is known as the synapse.
Let's understand how nerve impulse travels in the body. Stimuli acquired at the end of the dendritic tip of a nerve cell sets off a chemical reaction that creates an electrical impulse. This impulse travels from the dendrite to the cell body and then along the axon to its end. At the end of the axon, the electrical impulse sets off the release of some chemicals. These chemicals cross the gap, or synapse, and start a similar electrical impulse in a dendrite of the next neuron. This is a general scheme of how nervous impulses travel in the body.
The nervous system is divided into three major parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, sensory organs. Brain. Brain is the main organ of the nervous system. It is the control center of the body. The brain is further divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain forms the largest part of the brain. It possesses the centers that control the functions like speech, thought, memory, identification, etc. in our body. Midbrain possess the centers that control the organs like hands, legs, etc. Thus it helps us to walk, play, run, and balance our body. Hindbrain possesses the centers that control the involuntary actions of the body, such as heartbeat, breathing, etc. Brain also possesses different centers for the activities like listening, smelling, and tasting. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves. It is protected in the vertebral column and extends from the base of the brain to the lower part of the waist. The spinal cord acts as the link between the brain and the nerves stretching throughout the body. The quick and automatic response of an organ due to a stimulus is called a reflex action or simply a reflex. The peripheral nervous system and the spinal cord coordinate with each other to carry out reflex actions.